Hello everyone. The topic over here is compare numbers. So here we are introducing the topic of comparing numbers. Here it is given, the hungry crocodile will help you learn comparing numbers. Once there was a hungry crocodile. He always looked for food. Whenever he was served food, he ate the more quantity of food. So as given over here, in the first plate there are 3 cookies. In the second plate there is 1 cookie. So the crocodile's mouth is towards the 3 cookies. So that is 3 is greater than 1. Over here there are 2 apples in the first basket and 3 apples in the second basket. So the hungry crocodile's mouth is towards the number 3. That is 3 is greater than 2, or we can also say 2 is smaller than 3. So you can help the child understand this way. Here it is given, when it is served food of the same quantity, he got confused and kept his mouth shut. So here you can tell the child, or you can ask them to notice that here 3 candies, and over here also there are 3 candies. So 3 is equals to 3. So here the instruction is trace the sign greater than, smaller than or equal to compare the numbers. So please emphasize on introducing the signs to the children so that they are able to understand the same. Here there are 1, 2, 3 apples. Here there is 1 apple. So as here we have greater number of apples. So here it is 3 is greater than 1. Similarly, over here we have 1, 2 candies. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candies. So that is 4 is greater than 2, or we can also say 2 is less than 4. Right? Next is 1, 2, and over here also there are 1, 2 objects. So they will be using equal to sign to represent or to compare the numbers. Alright. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को कंपेयरिंग नंबर्स के बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है. बच्चों को ग्रेटर देन, स्मॉलर देन और इक्वल टू की साइन को समझना है, और फिर यहाँ पे उनको साइन को ट्रेस करके नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice comparing numbers. So here they have to put the correct sign, less than, greater than or equal to. So here there is 1 candy and here there are 2 candies. So the child will be using less than sign to compare the numbers. Okay. So the mouth is open towards the 2 candies, as we can see over here. So you can also help the child to understand this way. Similarly, here there are 1, 2, 3 hats. Here there are 1, 2 hats. So here the sign or the mouth will be open towards the larger number, that is 3. So 3 is greater than 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3 balls. 1, 2, 3 balls. So both are equal. So the child will be using equal to sign. After that, here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 butterflies. So 5 butterflies are less than 8 butterfly. So we will use this sign. After that, there are 2 penguins over here, and here also there are 2 penguins. So you have to ask the child to recall or remember which sign they will be using over here. So here they have to use the equal to sign. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को कंपेयरिंग नंबर्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई गई है, तो उनको ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन और इक्वल टू की साइन यूज करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this page, the child has to identify the greater number. So here they have to count the fish and circle the bowl which has more fish. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish, and here 1 fish. So they have to circle the bowl that has 5 fish. Similarly, over here they have to again count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 fish. And here they have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So they will be circling the bowl that has more fish. Again over here they have 1, 2 fish, and here they have 1, 2, 3 fish. So they have to circle the bowl that has 3 fish. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को ग्रेटर नंबर को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसके लिए उनको बोल में दिए गए जो फिश है उनको काउंट करना है और जिस सर्कल में जिस बोल में सबसे ज्यादा फिश है उसको सर्कल करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to identify the greater number. So here they have to circle the bigger number and 1 is done for them. So here it is 1 and 7. So 7 is bigger number compared to 1. So here we have circled the number 7. Similarly, here is 9 and 3. So 9 is greater than 3, that is bigger as compared to 3. So the child has to circle the number 9. Over here it's 2 and 6. So 6 is bigger than 2. So they have to circle the number 6. Similarly here 10 and 9. So 10 is bigger than 9 or greater than 9. Next is 8 and 9. So 9 is greater than 8. So they have to encircle the number 9. After that it's 4 and 10. So the child has to encircle the number 10. As it is greater than 4. Here 4 and 6. So 6 is greater than or bigger as compared to 4. And similarly for the last one it's 5 and 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So they have to encircle 5. So here you can also use certain concrete objects for the child to see and visualize the numbers at which is greater and which is smaller. तो आप उनको यहाँ पे राजमा बीन्स दे सकते हो. जैसे कि 1 और 7 है तो एक बाजू वो लोग 1 राजमा बीन रखेंगे, दूसरी बाजू वो लोग 7 राजमा बीन्स रखेंगे और फिर कंपेयर करेंगे, देख के विजुलाइज करेंगे कि 1 ज़्यादा बड़ा है या 7 ज़्यादा बड़ा है. सो यू कैन यूज एनी कॉन्क्रीट ऑब्जेक्ट्स फॉर them to visualize the numbers over here. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to identify the lesser number. So here they have to circle the plate with lesser cookies. So first of all, they will count the number of cookies in each plate. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cookies. Over here it's 1, 2 cookies. So they have to circle the plate with lesser cookies. After that it's 1 over here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. So they have to circle the plate with less number of cookies. So which is this one. After that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 3. So 3 is lesser as compared to 4. So they have to circle this plate. So here you can use any other concrete objects or you can also use cookies for the child to identify and compare which plate has lesser or which plate has more number of cookies. So यहाँ पे बच्चों को वो प्लेट सर्कल करनी है जिसमें लेस नंबर ऑफ कुकीज है एज कंपेयर टू अनदर प्लेट. सो दे हैव टू काउंट द नंबर एंड आइडेंटिफाई और उसके बाद वो लोग जिस प्लेट में लेसर कुकीज है उसको सर्कल करेंगे. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to identify the lesser number. So here they have to circle the small number and 1 is done for them. So here it's 10 and 9. So 9 is smaller than 10. So 9 is encircled. Similarly over here it's 8 and 7. So 7 is smaller than 8. So 7 is small number as compared to 8. So they have to encircle the number 7. After that it's 8 and 3. So 3 is smaller than 8. After that it's 6 and 5. So 5 is smaller than 6. After that it's 4 and 3. So 3 is smaller than 4. After that it's 5 and 6. So 5 is smaller than 6. After that it's 9 and 3. So 3 is smaller than 9. So they have to encircle 3. And the last one is 7 and 5. So 5 is smaller than 7. So they have to encircle 5. So here you can use any concrete objects, or any like beans or something, for letting them visualize the numbers and see, and then actually compare those numbers. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए नंबर्स में से स्मॉल नंबर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और फिर उसको सर्कल करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to use the greater than or less than sign. So here they have to put greater than or less than sign in the circles for comparing the objects that are given over here. So here that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 fish. Over here there are 1, 2, 3 fish. So 5 is greater than 3. So they will be using this sign. So here also they have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 laddus are given over here. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 laddus are given. So 4 laddus are less than 7 laddus. So they have to use this sign. After that it's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 candles, and over here there is 1 candle. So 4 candles are greater than 1 candle. So they will be using this sign over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन की साइन यूज करनी है. सबसे पहले उनको दिए गए इमेजेस को काउंट करना है, और जो ग्रेटर देन है वहाँ पे ग्रेटर देन की साइन लगानी है, जहाँ पे लेस देन है वहाँ पे लेस देन की साइन यूज करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice greater than or less than sign. So here they have to put greater than or less than sign in the given box over here. So first there are 2 pictures given, so they have to count the number of objects in those pictures, and then they have to compare and then use the greater than or less than sign. So here they can see there are 5 clocks given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carrots given. So 6 is greater than 5, that is 5 is less than 6. So they will be using less than sign over here. After that it's 1, 2, 3 caps over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fans over here. So caps are less than fans, so they will be using the less than sign. After that they will be counting the number of stars here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here there are 4 buns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 is greater than 4. So they will be using the greater than sign. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को greater than और less than की साइन यूज करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है, और वो आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए बच्चों को ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करके उनको कंपेयर करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to use greater than, less than or equal to sign. So here they have to compare the numbers and put greater than, less than or equal to sign. So here is the number 4 and here it's 8. So 4 is less than 8. Here it's 6 and 6. So they both are equal. After that it's 0 and 9. So 0 is less than 9. After that it's 3, so 3 is greater than 1. After that it's 2 and 5, so 2 is less than 5. After that it's 1 and 0, so 1 is greater than 0. After that it's 4 and 4, so 4 is equals to 4. Next is 5 and 2, so 5 is greater than 2. After that it's 10 and 10, so 10 is equals to 10. After that it's 8 and 5. So 8 is greater than 5. After that it's 5 and 7. So 5 is less than 7. After that it's 9 and 4. So 9 is greater than 4. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर्स को कंपेयर करके ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन और इक्वल टू की साइन रखनी है। आप कोई भी कॉन्क्रीट ऑब्जेक्ट्स या मैनिपुलेटिव्स का यूज करके उनको ये कंपेयरिंग नंबर्स करवा सकते हैं, ताकि वो लोग वापस विजुलाइज कर पाए कि नंबर्स को कैसे कंपेयर करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to practice greater than, less than or equal to sign. So here they have to put the correct sign for comparing the given numbers. So here is the number 6. Here is the number 7. So 6 is less than 7. Here is 5 and here is 3. So 5 is greater than 3. Here it's 2 and 2. So 2 is equals to 2. Here it's 0 and here is 10. So 0 is less than 10. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन और इक्वल टू साइन की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है नंबर्स को कंपेयर करने के लिए। तो उनको यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वो लोग करेक्ट साइन रखे और अप्रोप्रिएट साइन को यूज करके यहाँ पे रखे वो लोग। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन. In this page, the child will practice comparing numbers. So here they have to compare the numbers and put the sign greater than, less than or equal to. So here they have to see the numbers 1 and 5. So here 1 is less than 5. After that it's 3 and 1. So 3 is greater than 1. Next 2 and 4. So 2 is less than 4. After that 5 and 5, so 5 is equal to 5. After that it's 7 and 4, so 7 is greater than 4. After that it's 8 and 8, so 8 equals to 8. Next is 8 and 1, so 8 is greater than 1. Next is 3 and 9, so 3 is less than 9. After that 10 and 5, so 10 is greater than 5. Next is 5 and 6. So 5 is less than 6. Next is 7 and 0. So 7 is greater than 0. Next is 4 and 3. So 4 is greater than 3. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर्स को कंपेयर करके ग्रेटर देन, इक्वल टू और लेस देन की साइन को इंसर्ट करना है और यहाँ पे ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice comparing numbers. So here they have to compare the numbers and put the sign greater than, less than or equal to. So here it's 4 and 8. So 4 is less than 8. Next is 6 and 2. So 6 is greater than 2. 5 and 9. So 5 is less than 9. Here it's 10 and 4. So 10 is greater than 4. Next is 9 and 9. So 9 is equals to 9. 1 and 5. So 1 is less than 5. After that it's 1 and 1. So 1 is equals to 1. Next is 3 and 10. So 3 is less than 10. Next is 8 and 5. So 8 is greater than 5. Next is 6 and 4. So 6 is greater than 4. Next is 2 and 7. So 2 is less than 7. Next is 1 and 10. So 1 is less than 10. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना है और ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन और इक्वल टू की साइन को इंसर्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू।